guys, welcome to Born to Win. I'm glad that you guys are back for another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and on top of that, hit the notification bell for you guys to get notified when I actually post new content, and you guys will never miss any type of content or updates that are going to be happening to this channel. Okay, so hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, like I said. And if you guys are new to the family and you guys don't know who I am, my name's Luis Jimenez. I made this YouTube channel for one reason and one reason only, and that's to help entrepreneurs that are barely starting off and actually show them my journey on the way to the top, but also showing them what has worked for me and what implementable steps they could take to get farther in their career and get to the success that they want to see. Okay, so with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's get straight into it. Hey guys, as you guys could tell based off of the title of the video, we're going to be speaking on asking for help, guys. And this might be a simple concept for a lot of you guys, but honestly, I'm sharing you guys something that's very personal to me, at least because I'm the type of person that I'm very self-independent. I want to be able to do it all myself. I wanted to be the CEO, I want to be the president of my business, I want to be the accountant, I want to be everything. And it's not in the sense that I feel like there's not, well, it might be just for the sole reason when I grew up is that I feel like no one could do the job as good as me, and you probably gone through that. I'm just sharing you guys my experience and what I actually did to actually kill this problem, because it's a problem. At the end of the day, you're gonna spread yourself too thin, and when you're owning a business, you can't do it all. You're gonna have to trust people, and you're gonna have to trust the universe or trust God, whatever you believe in, to actually present you with the right people in your life, and for you to be able to hire them and save time, and for you to focus on what you're actually badass at in your business and make it and expand it and grow it and do whatever is the most beneficial part that you could play in your business. Okay, the most beneficial role for you. Okay, so you guys have to understand that a lot of people when they're starting off in business, like I said, we want to do it all. Especially when we're a small business, we want to be the guy that sells it, we want to be the guy that installs it if it's a service or it's a product. But you have to understand that you're gonna have to delegate certain work, and this is something that I actually developed recently. It's something that I'm still currently working on, and that's why I share these type of experiences with you guys, because that's why I made this channel. Ultimately is to share my experiences and tell you guys, hey, I fucked up here, please don't fuck up here. Okay, or I fucked up here, this is where I went, you decide where you want to go. I'm just telling you, I've already been down that path, and this is what I did. Okay, I'm sharing the journey and documenting every single step of the way for you guys to be able to say, hey, this is how Luis did it, and you guys have a format of, hey dude, this guy made it to a millionaire in like 2-3 years, and look it, he has everything recorded. So that's why I'm doing this. This is going to be something that's going to benefit you guys in the long run. I hope it brings value to you guys. If it does, then I'm going to keep making videos, and even if it doesn't, I know that it will bring some type of value to someone else, and it'll help someone in need, and that's all I need to keep making videos. Okay guys, so you guys have to understand that the ego will trick you so many times. You will always think that you're the best one for the job. In reality, you're not going to be the best one for the job. In reality, it might be Tom, it might be Jason that's better at graphical design and designing your thumbnails for YouTube. It might be different stuff that you're great at though. You're great at leading, so you should decide to delegate your work to the best person that is fit. And that's usually very, very tough to take in the beginning, because you're like, I'm the best, I should be the one that's doing it all, no one could do it better than me. But hey, you realize, hey dude, I wouldn't be the guy that's gonna be doing my drawings. Let's just say I'm the worst drawer ever when it comes down to projects or anything like that, or design. I have the worst handwriting. I'm not gonna be the one that designs it. I would love to. I would like to think in my head that I am the best fucking Picasso in the world, or whatever the case may be. I'm not gonna design though, I'm not gonna paint, I'm not gonna be able to do artsy work. So I'll just delegate, and I'll pay that. I'll pay someone that is great to do that. But that takes a lot of self-accountability. on your end. You have to assess yourself and say, am I really the best person for this job? Am I really the person that's going to be able to get this job done? And if the answer is no, don't take it personal. Don't take it personal. What, you just get better. You don't whine about it, you grind about it. I always say that, okay guys? Don't whine about it, grind about it. Okay, so if you're not good at that, maybe just, it's gonna take you too long to get, it's gonna take me too long physically to get good at that. So I'd just rather delegate it to someone else and understand that they're gonna do the best of their ability because I chose them. I obviously have processes to actually choosing the right people for the right job, and you'll know in your gut because you'll see that fire that they have. Just like how you're really good at something, they'll have the fire to do the design art, to do I don't know, to handle your all your paperwork for your accounting, handle all your finances and tell you, hey, we need to cut back expenses right here, we need to do that. I'm not gonna do it all. If I was focusing on all of that, I wouldn't have a business. My job is just to drive in more business for my business and get better and help out my workers and help my sales team. That's all I'm here to do. If they need something from me that I could provide just situational knowledge, this is what I like to tell you guys right here. So the big thing is that you have to know that you don't have as much situational knowledge in certain areas as other people that are experts in that field. Obviously, I'm not gonna tell my mom how to run a 25-year marriage. I've never been in a 25-year marriage, okay? So I can't give my mom advice on how to be a wife or how to be, how my dad should be acting towards her because I don't know. I never been married myself. I wouldn't be able to tell a guy that's just recently gonna get married, hey, expect this, expect that, because I don't have situational knowledge in that area. So why the fuck would I offer advice in that area, okay? So that's what you guys have to understand. And asking for help does not make you fucking weak, bro. It does not make you weak. That's one thing that I had to deal with personally and deal with my fucking ego. The reason being is because every time I felt like I was asking for help, I felt like I was begging people. I felt like, hey dude, you're a bitch, you can't do the work, do it yourself, just do it, and I could do it better, blah 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 blah. Dude, kill your fucking ego and understand you're not a bitch for asking help. If anything, that shows a lot of character based off of your end, that you're asking for help, and say, hey, you know what? I'm not really the greatest at design, but I know you are. What's your opinion here? That is the most badass shit you could say. But for a guy that grew up with a lot of machismo in his family, I had to like deal with that. I had to deal with that. But it's not, you're not giving up your power when you ask for your help. If anything, you're enhancing yourself. You're getting better. You're like, oh, okay, that's a great opinion. I could move over here. I can move over there. That's why getting a mentor is so important, guys. That's why you need to get mentors. If you want to get from A to B, your ass needs to get someone that's already been to B, C, D, and F, E, and F. Like, you have to get that type of person around you, okay? And he'll help you get there 10 times quicker if you would have just said, hey, I need help. I don't know what I'm doing. Everyone has been helped by someone, whether we like it or not, whether it's through virtual mentorship, like through YouTube, like how you're getting mentored by me right now, or you're getting situational advice from me right now because I've gone through it in my business, or a physical interaction, like from you talking to them on the daily. Let's say you just run into someone in the store and they offer you certain advice based off of their situational knowledge in marriage. Let's just say that it's an older young guy, older man that gives you knowledge on how to live a happy marriage. I'm not going to take advice from someone that hasn't done it. Okay, so that's one thing, is don't ask for help from the wrong people. Ask for help from the people that have already done what you want or have what you want. That simple, okay guys? So I hope this video helped you guys out. I really do. If you guys found any type of value, hit that thumbs up. It really does help my channel grow. Hit that share button if you guys want someone to get this type of knowledge as well and be woken up, okay? You guys are red pill. You guys are part of the Born to Win nation, okay? Born to Win. You guys make the extraordinary look ordinary. Until next time, guys.